Raster, guess what? It's window tint day. All right, drop it off. They said come pick it up. 2 hours.
Hi Larry, it's Lauren from Tint Pros. Just want to get in touch with you in regards to the Mustang that we're tinting. It's just taking a little longer than expected. You should still be set for pickup right before closing. We close at 5, so you want to meet us here right before then. We should be set for you.
We're minutes away from the moment of truth. Just got the tint dropped in. They said it was a little bit more complicated than it should have been because it had already been tinted. I guess it was just like a light tint because I had no idea, but I think they're about done. I'm gonna see if I can sneak back there and get a preview. Woo! Oh, this is a nice setup too. You guys got the car lights up top. Yeah. Damn. I fall in love every time I see it. I gotta wash this thing. I should have washed it before I did this video, but I couldn't be more pleased. I'm really proud of how far we've come on the car. It looks great. More and more progress on the project. And the goal, still the goal, is to get this thing to beat Hellcats. So stock, stock base level Hellcats, but we're working on it. So drive shaft in. One day you're gonna be the fastest car I've ever had in my life. But as you can see right here, see if you can see a steering wheel, see if you can see anything. No matter what I do, I'm starting to get a glimpse right about there. I feel like I can see a little bit of the dash. So this is a limo tint from the outside. Now let me show you the inside. Here we are inside the car. If you look at the back seat, I can still see clearly trees, everything, houses. If I lift it up a little more, garbage cans. So that's how dark it is. That's the difference. I'm rolling in style. I'm still super scruff. I need to get a haircut. So we're gonna cut the video there. I'm always happy to get another mod thrown on the car. It means we're another step closer to the next mod. I've been having fun finally getting my hands back on this car and trying to get it to that goalpost of beating a Hellcat. And not just any Hellcat, a stock Hellcat. I think we can do it. I think, you know, the couple mods, get the supercharger on there, I'll probably be in good shape. So I got to get to that goal. I got to keep pushing this thing. Yeah, window tint ain't performance, but it's something I wanted to do to kind of unify the design. So we're there. I'm really happy right now. I'm really smiling right now because I just got a good feeling, right? Like I'm in a spot where I can see things clearly. I can see my goals being reached. And as somebody who likes to achieve goals, that's very important. And that it's great to have that feeling right now. So I'm just, I'm in a moment where I feel good. If you like the video, go ahead and subscribe. More content on the way, more parts to put on, more stuff to do. Hopefully you like what I do here. Thanks, I'm out. Peace.